How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App and also send it to another wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, simply open up Cash App and make sure to log into your account. Then simply come to the Bitcoin tab, then tap on buy option. Once done, simply enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy, then tap on next. Then here you can simply choose the frequency. I will select one-time order. Confirm with your cash pin. Once you confirm with the cash pin, you can see the receipt here. Tap on confirm and it will show that you have successfully purchased that much amount of Bitcoin. Now to send it, what you have to do is you have to simply again come back to this little home page over here and come to the Bitcoin tab, but this time tap on the send icon there. Then once you tap on the send icon over here, all you have to do is enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to see in the dollar value. Then you can simply paste the wallet address to whom you want to send by entering their cash tag or whatever else, or the Bitcoin address. Then tap on the next option. Then you can simply confirm your withdrawal by tapping on confirm, and once done, you would have successfully actually bought Bitcoin on Cash App and sent it to another wallet. This way you can go ahead and then basically buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet as well. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.